FKP and the hospital wanted to create a really superior environment, being that it was the first of its kind for Texas Children's.
It was really a new business venture for Texas Children's Hospital. The acoustic qualities were so important. The patient and every visitor that comes in this building needed to be in a place that felt right. There's many challenges this project presented. We needed a ceiling product that allowed minimal seams, that was easily removable, and then the NICU areas required an even more sound absorbent type of material to allow for the lower decibel ratings that the kids need.
When you have babies, they're very sensitive to noise, and so you really need a high level of acoustical performance. The Ecophon Master was used because there was an increasing need for noise absorption in those spaces, in the public areas and in some of the patient areas. We helped FKP to specify Ecophon Focus Ds, which is a fully concealed system with high noise absorption properties. And then the Skybridge, we also utilized the Ecophon Focus DS because it was meant to create a V shape, so it allowed for those joints to be addressed as well as creating accessibility. And then we had acoustics, which was also featured in the public spaces, which allowed for an element of visual interest.
Certainty helped us out in so many ways. They built mock-ups for us, presented them at client meetings, took us on tours to prove the client this product worked the way that they described it. So yeah, definitely Certainty is a very good product, and we'd use them again.